Dr. Fluff, we are back here in Dunedin. We have our secret hidden location where we have actually grabbed our parking. I think what we're gonna do, due to the weather, it looks like the weather is slightly over forecast here. We're gonna go straight to the center of Dunedin, work our way down. We got about possibly 40 minutes, give or take, and hopefully it does not rain. Hey, how's it going? All right. So if it does not rain, we'll be able to capture the essence of downtown Dunedin. How's it going? Let me just make sure I get on the walking side, as they have the actual arrows there, but sometimes it's kind of like, are you walking on the left? Are you walking on the right? But here we are in the heart of Dunedin. This is definitely the gem. One of the things that when you land here, everyone is always attracted to the Dunedin area itself. Let's continue forward. We are coming up on Bark Avenue and Natural Bath and Essentials. I'm a huge fan of Bark Avenue, as I do go there myself, but we'll continue forward. I believe we might have some live jazz there as well. We've got gifts, Coco Love, and it looks like some of these are open, but let's take a look. Hey, how's it going? How are you today? Good. Oh, absolutely. So let's do this. Let's cross over. And hopefully we can get up to the, if we can get up to the Holiday Inn and Suites, that'd be great. We've got the Bark Avenue, we've got the Natural Bath Essentials, we've got the gifts as well. So if you stay close, you'll be as good as gold as walking to these particular gyms here. We'll head right over. We have the Beach Company, and of course, we have the one and only, I believe it's Cafe Al Fresco. So when I was here, arguably the best French toast. Oh, hey there, how are you? So in Al Fresco's, they have the best French toast on the planet. But here we are, downtown Dunedin Market. We've got the music right there. He is definitely jamming. I might have to talk over that, we'll see. But let's see if we can get this shot. I might have to, as no one is here right now, we'll get this particular shot right now as there is no traffic. The music definitely sounds great here. And as traffic is actually coming, we will work our way back. Oh, there we go, all right. Let's work our way down. There's Cafe Al Fresco, arguably the best French toast on the planet. And of course, I think they supplied the actual fruit with it as well. 10 out of 10, hands down, no question. But let's continue down. These are the shops. So if you stay relatively close, you're not driving anywhere. You're just walking along the Dunedin shops. Hello there, how are you? So you have your Dunedin shops, you have your ice cream. This is where you're going to save your money and spend your money as well. This is what you want to do. You don't want to drive all over the place when you're coming to Florida. You want to come right here to Dunedin and just walk around, stay at one of the local hotels or Airbnb, come down here, go on foot, park, or hopefully actually you can actually just walk here. So here's Tony's Pizza and the Lasting Impressions Engraving and Gifts. Highly recommended. So come here, get your Tony's Pizza. I don't know how many slices I've had from this place in the past here. So we're walking along, what is this? This is the main street of Dunedin itself. So you have the Dunedin Market Square in the background. You have your Crown Bull and your black, it looks like the Black Pearl as well. So, but here we are, we have Harley's as well, one of the summer favorites, and it is open. We're gonna see if we can actually get into one of these as well, but not at the moment because it is a race of time. Hopefully we do not get caught in any of the rain. Now this ice cream spot right here is definitely challenging the other ice cream spot directly across the street, which we will see. So this is, what is this? Strahan's Homemade Ice Cream. But let's continue forward and I'll tell you exactly how that battle is actually appearing as well. I think what we'll do, we'll cross here, go along the other side, work our way down. Here is one of the famous areas here. Let's just take a look as we are given the go ahead. The other ice cream is down there. I think we'll try to work our way over to the park, but not as of yet. What's going on? How's it going? So here we are defending the actual freedom itself. Here is Broadway and Main Street, and we're gonna work our way down this way. So now you're just kind of getting a small little view of what it looks like on the other side, as the parking is straightly over there. But let's continue forward, as we do have a young pedestrian crossing the street. We want to make sure that he is safe. There's a very good chance he might be touching base with, and that's a nice groovy shirt there as well. Hello there, young man, watch that traffic. It's definitely quite busy there. Be careful there. All right, so we are now on the other side. Let's try to get the shops in the background as well as one of the famous areas that we're going to continue to pass here. Very, very pet friendly. Hey, what's going on, ladies? How's it going? And here is one of the main happening bars and scenes as we have the actual cars in the background. But let's make sure it says Blur Nightclub. What's going on, ladies? How are you? Good, good. Blur Nightclub. You come here, it will be on and popping during the evening. Plenty of space there as well. Let's see if we can actually go in there too. Let's take a look here. Now, of course, due to the weather and due to the timeline right now, there's no one there to shake my fanny with. However, one of the things that you'll notice one of the things that you'll notice is that, it gets very, very busy here in downtown Dunedin. This is arguably, it's one of those things where if you're local or if you're just from out of town, you're always attracted back. It's like a magnet. You always end up coming back to Dunedin. Here's one of the old Dunedin railroad stations and, of course, the Pinellas bike trail as well. What's going on? All right. So here is the bike trail, and this bike trail, it does actually lead, I believe it goes all the way to St. Pete. So downtown Dunedin Merchant Directory, gift shop as well. Let's go down. Let's see the actual restaurants. And what we'll do is we'll work our way all the way down. YouTube. Dr. Fluff. You're in it if you want to wave. There you go. There they are. Those are the local Dunedins and some from out of town. So let's continue. Hello there. Hello. How are you? Good. How are you? Good, good, good. It looks like this is Salon GW. Is that right? Oh, can I go in there? Is that all right? All right. So here we are at Salon GW, where all of the local and from out-of-towners do come. What would you recommend for cotton, polyester, and silk in this establishment?
Well, we do hair.
Ah, okay. I mean, I have hair. It's probably not the right texture. But now, are you highly recommended for locals and out-of-towners?
Yes.
Nice, nice, nice.
This business has been here for, I think, over 50 years.
50?
Yes.
Look at that. So it's been here for 50. Yes. Now, you would highly recommend coming to this place if you want to go out and about the remaining areas of the Dunedin, Clearwater, Tampa, St. Pete?
Oh, yes. I moved here from the north because I love the heat, and this is the place to be.
Nice, nice, nice. Well, thank you. I do appreciate that very much. And I will head out of your hair. See what I did there? Thank you, young lady. Thank you very much. Enjoy. That was Salon GW. So if you go there, right next to the organic spa and right here in the heart of Dunedin, they'll take very good care of you in the Salon GW. So moving down along, we have the books, back in the day books, and new and used rare books. Now you can actually go in there, get a number of different books, because usually when you're on the beach, you definitely are going to need a book. Now, let's just kind of back up a little bit here as we are here in the heart of Dunedin. Books back in the day, and of course, Casa Tina. Now, this place, you gotta get here early, because if you don't get here early, you'll be most likely waiting in line. But here we got fresh, healthy, authentic Mexican food at Casa Tina. And I hope that is a T. Yes, that is a T. It's a T indeed. So let's see what we got here. Visit Mexico. Let's continue here. Looks like we have a new construction, but let's work our way down as, I remember this spot when we were here last time. I'm not sure if it's part of them or not. All right, so we're trying to work our way down. Where's the seat stripe? We're on Douglas and Main. So we do have the light. We're gonna wait for them and then we'll work our way down. Let's just wait for the traffic. We'll work our way down, I think we're good. All right, so let's cross. As there are some shops down there, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get that far, but we shall see. We could work our way down and head over. Let's work our way down, go to the shop, we'll fight some actual traffic, and I think from there what we can do is, as we are on Douglas and Main, I think what we can do, got some people in the background there. I think what we can do is work our way back down the trail where you would have your rollerbladers, bikers, electric devices as well. Hello, how are you? you'll have a number of different devices there. This is the hidden low-key spot where people, not so much hidden really, but this is where a lot of people do like to park. And of course, if you have your golf cart, forget the parking spot. You'll go right along the side here, all right? Only the OGs know that you can actually park right along the side there. So let's continue forward as people are starting to come in and look for different types of restaurants to go to. We'll work our way back over to the path, take a right, and then we'll actually try to come down the opposite way of some of the stores. Now, there is the ice cream area on the sideline as well. That was battling the other one, but I think what we're gonna do, due to the possible rain, is we'll work our way down and see what types of shops they actually have there. So let's see what we got.